this video, we will learn on how to multiply integers.
First of all, we learn the rules before proceeding on solving. Rule number 1. Multiplying integers with the same signs, the product is always positive. Rule number 2. Multiplying integers with different signs, the product is always negative.
First example, 2 multiplied by negative 3 is equal to negative 6. So if one number has different sign, we will follow the rule number 2. So if positive multiplied by negative, the product is always negative. So if one number has different sign, positive or negative, the product is always negative. Therefore, 2 multiplied by negative 3 is equals to negative 6.
Second example, negative 2 multiplied by 5 is equals to negative 10. If the number has a different sign, we will follow the rule number 1. So negative multiplied by positive, the product is always negative. So if the number has a different sign, negative or positive, the product is always negative. Therefore, negative 2 multiplied by positive 5 is equals to negative 10.
Example number 3. 8 times 3 equals 9. So if the numbers the same time, we will follow the rule number 1. So positive multiplied by positive, the product is always positive. That is the same by negative multiplied by negative, the product is always positive. So two number has the same sign, the product is always positive. So therefore, positive 3 multiplied by positive 3 it equals to positive 9.
Fourth example, negative 6 multiplied by negative 5 is equal to 30. So if two number has the same sign, we will follow the rule number 1. So negative multiplied by negative, the product is always positive. It is also the same as positive multiplied by positive is also positive. So if two number has the same sign, the product is always positive. Therefore, negative 6 multiplied by negative 5 is equal to positive 30. Fifth example, positive 8 multiplied by negative 7 is equal to negative 56. If one number has different sign, we will follow the rule number 2. Therefore, positive multiplied by negative is equals to negative. So if one number has different sign, the product is always negative. Therefore, I consider that positive 8 multiplied by negative 7 is equal to negative 56.
7 multiply 7 equals 39.
If the number has the same sign, we will follow the rule number 1. So, positive multiply positive, the product is always positive. It is also the same as negative multiplied by negative is also positive. So, if the two number has the same sign, the product is always positive. Therefore, positive 7 multiplied by positive 7 is equal positive 39.
Example number 7. Negative 2 multiplied by positive 6 is equal to negative 12. If the number has different signs, we will follow the rule number 2. So negative multiplied by positive, the product is always negative. So if one number has different signs, negative or positive, the product is always negative. Therefore, negative 2 multiplied by positive 6 is equal to negative 12.
Example number 8. Negative 4 multiplied by negative 5 is equals to 20. If the number has the same sign, we will follow the rule number 1. So negative multiplied multiplied by negative, the product is always positive. It is also positive multiplied by positive, the product is always positive. Therefore, two numbers the same sign, the product is always positive. So, negative 4 multiplied by negative 5 is equals to positive 2.
Example number 9. Positive 7 multiplied by negative 4 is equal to negative 28. So, if one number has different sign, we will follow the rule number 2. So, positive multiplied by negative, the product is always negative. So, if one number is positive or negative, the product is always negative. Therefore, positive 7 multiplied by negative 4 is equal to negative 28. Example number 10. 8 multiplied by 5 is equal to 40. If two numbers on the same side, we'll follow the rule number 1. So positive multiplied by positive, the product is always positive. It is also the same by negative multiplied by negative is also positive. So if two numbers on the same sign, the product is always positive. Therefore, 8 multiplied by 5 is equal to 40.
Example number 11. Negative 9 multiplied by positive 3 is equals to negative 27. If the number has different sign, we will follow the rule number 2. So, negative multiplied by positive, the product is always negative. So, if one number has different sign, negative or positive, the product is always negative. Therefore, negative 9 multiplied by positive 3 is equals to negative 27.
Ay, sa, spa.
Example number 8. Negative 4 multiplied by negative 5 is equals to 20. If the number has the same sign, we will follow the rule number 1. So negative multiplied by negative, the product is always positive. It is also positive multiplied
A few inches later.
Tamang Lord. It is also positive. So therefore,
So, if one number has different sign,
Pasagay mo tingog na.
And we'll follow the rule number 2. So positive multiplied by negative
negative 2 multiplied by 5 is equals to negative 10. If the number... Susunod, din na lang ko eh.
Action.
Multiplying integers with the same size. Size noon!
Example number 3. Positive 3 multiplied by positive 3 is equals to positive 9. So, if the number the same sign,
Action.
Fourth example, negative 6 multiplied by negative 5 is equal to 13. So if two numbers the same sign,
Hi. Hi.
wait, sorry.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, rolling. Action.
Fourth example, negative 6 multiplied by negative 5 is equal to 30.
A few inches later.
And the positive is also positive. So if two numbers the same sign, sorry na.